Nongelam ko Congress Legislature Party CLP uba Ronnie v Lindo hakakat lai trik lebe. Lakeno bakaseng All India Trinamool Congress TMC bat ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kidon ya ka jingadei baka jingngewthuh jingmut ka barieh haswa jong ka Lok Sabha election ka bansalong shen. Haba penpa ya ka jingkran badang shen jong unongelam ke AITC ubaderu umintri rang ba barim ka jilla umukul sangma uba Ronnie ulaong. Habayan ujor bat ka West Bengal ka badan sapu arteli ki Lok Sabha seat ka Meghalaya ka dontang arteli ki seat. Kumta ki AITC ki laong ngilaya chakmat bat penbenaya ukurtong hapo Meghalaya bat day nakata kadaw ka TMC kam kwa banya trelang bat ngi. Balay bakim penbena bakilapoy siya ka jinga menjur banya bha seat hapo West Bengal ulaong. Menta kim kwa banya trelang bat ka Congress. Kumta ngi kwa banbu jingkeli ya kinongelam ka TMC hatu pilapoy siya ka jingiasngewthuh jingmut bat ka BJP hatu kadon ka jingadei ka barieh hapdeng ka TMC bat ka BJP kenang ban paria ya ki vote kipat ba ki bakwa ban yoi ya kiri ka bapdiang bat buram ya baro kinyam kum ka kenhun India ban penram ya ka BJP ka bawanra ka jinga pernyam bat ka bapersyang ban ya lambakla ya kipat ba halor ki babun kimat ong unongelam ka Congress.
Compared to West Bengal, which has about 42 seats, Lok Sabha seats, Meghalaya has only 2 seats. So, if they say that, we went ahead and declared in Meghalaya, that's why TMC is not willing to work with us. Why don't they declare that they've come to an agreement, seat sharing in West Bengal? You see, now they don't want to work with the Congress. So, we'd like to question TMC leaders. Have you got some understanding with the BJP? Is there a secret understanding between the TMC and the BJP? To prevent consolidation of votes, people who would like to see a secular democratic country like India defeat BJP, which is communal, which is trying to polarize the people on, so many issues. Now, let us put that question. Why doesn't TMC, who is part of the India bloc, come to an understanding and come to a seat sharing in West Bengal? If they had done that in West Bengal, perhaps we could have done it in Meghalaya too. Or is there some understanding between the BJP and TMC so that, votes get divided, opposition votes get divided and benefits the BJP? How does it benefit the TMC by not working with the India bloc, with the Congress? Or is it to benefit the BJP? To ensure that, apparently to appear, TMC and BJP do not have any understanding. But facts state otherwise. Okay, because now the BJP understands very clearly West Bengal has a sizable number of minority votes. So if they come together, all the minority votes will get consolidated in the parties belonging to the India bloc. So there is much more, hidden behind all this. Just to blame Meghalaya, which has only 2 seats, and West Bengal has 42 seats. If 2 seats are so important to TMC, and the 42 seats are not important, I think speaks volumes of their double standards. Party which would like to defeat the BJP? How does it benefit? Or will it benefit the BJP more? Because you can see other opposition leaders, you have CBI, you have ED, you have IT, put behind them. And they're arrested. In West Bengal, no such thing happens. So I'm asking this question. Is there any secret understanding between the BJP and the TMC? It's for the people to judge and defeat this party and vote for parties that have come together to ensure that we have a vibrant democracy, we have freedom of press, freedom of the judiciary, and people can worship as per their faith, as per their religion, and uphold the constitution, which is very, very important. You just see the CA. It's petty politics of the BJP. Just before the elections, they brought this to divide people on religious lines. which we condemn, which we will oppose, and we request the people of India, the people of the state, to vote for party that stand for secularism, people that will protect the constitution, people that will ensure that democracy is maintained.